A warm welcome to Data Science with Python training course. So why learn data science? There is 400 increase in the data science jobs and it is one of the hottest jobs. As per Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist is 120k. You must be wondering why there is so much demand. Well, nowadays, data is everything. Whether you buy from Amazon, Flipkart, or you do binge watching on Netflix, or you book an Ola, Uber taxi, your preference, behavior is getting captured as data. Companies' success depends on analyzing that data and taking business decisions. It is data scientists who enable companies to get insight into data and take decisions accordingly. So no wonder they are in so much demand. Data science is a cutting-edge stream and is a mixture of maths, statistics, and programming. This course will help you to kickstart your career as a data scientist. It is based on Python, so requires understanding of that. Python refresher concepts that are required for understanding this course has been covered in this course itself. This course has been created in unique storytelling fashion so that you can relate to what you are learning with real-life scenarios as to where to use it. The course is created by data scientists with loads of experience in AI field. The course is very exhaustive in coverage. We will cover descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, hypothesis testing, Python libraries required, data visualization techniques, supervised and unsupervised models, linear regression, clustering analysis, k-means, reinforcement learning, maths, model validation and testing, data mining with Python, deep learning, overview of Tableau, among many other things. The course is hands-on specific, covering lots of demos and contains 2 projects as well, along with MCQs to test your knowledge. By the end of this course, you will get the necessary knowledge required to start your career as data scientist. You will get lots of hands-on experience just by following the instructions and demos explained in the course. This course will help you start your career in the booming artificial intelligence domain. So, start your AI journey today. We will see you in the course.